Welcome to the Gemma USA channel. Here we share with our gem movers how to use the rare imported products from Korea. And these include the rare gem, the black jade, the magnetic energy black jade stone. These products are highly sought out, and we're the distributors of the US branch. And today we wanted to share with you how we had the chance to install a couple of kitchen multi ionizers in a business setting. They're called M&G Marble and Granite. They're actually started out to be a client, and they loved the shower ionizer, and they realized that they could also help us out by helping us advertise the multi ionizer, since the product being very new in the market, in their showrooms. So I brought a couple of kitchen ionizers with me. I wanted them to set up a shower one as well, but they have to do some things with some shelving in a wall, and we just couldn't show you that. But this is the first faucet that we tried. This faucet is the most sold faucet they had, and if they were to add the multi ionizer to it, to offer it, they were asking if it would fit. So we're trying it here now. As you can see, it comes with the bamboo kitchen towel, and it's in Korean, English, and Russia. They're the biggest three markets for these products right now. And it is also big in Europe. And as you can see, we just removed the old faucet head, and the ionizer goes in right away, and then the head that comes with the ionizer goes in the last. There are little parts that goes in the middle, since it was just to show. Apparently we haven't used the little pieces. However, as you can see, it looks nice and elegant, and it does fit right away. Any standard faucets have no problem, but I've told on this channel before, some faucets are just not standard, as you know. They are automatic sometimes. The head is not round. Some of them are flat. As you know, there are a lot of kinds in the US. The market has too many kinds of faucets, so the details are always online when you try to purchase it. But this one fits perfectly. She liked the way it looked. So if you are interested in this product, you can become a gem mover, join us, and be part of a business that cares for both people and nature. Please subscribe and hit the bell. Thank you.